Do you need help using the plan comparison tool? First, find the shopping cart on the Vermont Health Connect homepage. You'll want to enter the zip code for where you live to get started, followed by how old you are. Being pregnant, Native American, or offered health coverage from an employer could affect your eligibility. If that applies to you, let us know. If you live with a spouse, domestic partner, or other dependent, add them using the buttons on the top, and tell us if any other factors apply. Your eligibility is based on your total household income. Enter that information and view your results. Anyone potentially eligible for Medicaid will be shown first, followed by those eligible for financial help. Advanced premium tax credits lower your monthly premium, while cost-sharing reductions lower your out-of-pocket costs. Each plan you see will show the premium with all financial help applied, the deductible, and the out-of-pocket limits. If you are looking for something specific, easily filter your search by metal levels, insurance carrier, or cost. If you need to, costs for more specific things are located within the plan itself. And as always, contact us and we'd be happy to help you with additional information.